Shubor nakashlem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Rangba jong kajela ukanrat ke sangma hakasngi palai uloong baka Sorkar kan pendut sa praspa khat nyuklur manausnem ban pentrikam megrukom Siew Tulop Thymmai ki Nonghikai Adhoc bat SSA ki badan palat arpulai hajar ngun kaban sedang Naduh ka shitarik Ïaïong hajar arpuhendriu habai ekran kinong thok khobor hadian balawai ka jingalang jong ka kinhun menteri ukanrat ulay thu bakani karai kalong ban pentrikam yagi jingdawa ki balas lambha nakbanta karukom Siew kabedei bargajing penbiang kam yagi Nonghikai Uliat ho bakani karukam trekam ke Thymmai ke kenthop ni kajing pen kiu tulop manla usnam kajing pen kiu tulop kat gom kajing slam ki bala tre hakam bat kajing pen bet nak benta kajing no senyang jong ka pisa bala ai jingrap ni ka CPF ya karukam pen trekam an sependam hakini ki Bnai banwan ha ka bakarukam Siew tulop ke Thymmai kan trekam Naduh ka shitarik Ïaïong hajar arpuhendriu laong Kani karai ka thmu banweng yi kijing dawa ki bala slambha nak banta ka rukom Siew ke bede bargajing penbiang kam yi ki Nonghikai kumta kini baro kin saja haki hendrup house ngi banwan bat ngin sapentri kam yi rukom Siew tulop ka Thymmai hadu ka shitarik Ïaïong hajar arpuhendriu ulapen bena haki Bnai banwan ngin satre yi ki weipat kijing rap ki bakongsan ki badan kam ban shim namar ka dei kijing penkala ka bangidang le bargajing penkala kan don bun ki liang Bar kumta kat bangi dang ai ki Nonghikai ka rukom trekam balabu renti ki don ki weipat ki jing penbet ni jing penbet Thymmai ki ban saja hapo ki skul ru loong ukan rat.
I will briefly share the decisions that were taken. The first decision that was taken by the cabinet was the proposal for introduction of a structured pay framework for fixed pay teachers under the education department. As you're aware, this decision is a decision where the Adhoc teachers and the SSA teachers mainly, numbering approximately 23,099, who were receiving grant in aid. And of course, in SSA case, they were receiving also the structure that was proposed from and cleared by Government of India. And different structures were being given to different teachers. And hence, there's been a demand for a very long time that there should be some kind of a structured pay. A framework should be created. And there should be some kind of security in terms of the job for the concerned teacher. For the last 6 months, we have been in discussion with the different teachers and different associations. And before Christmas, we had announced the decision to go ahead with the structured pay frame. The numbers were finalized during that time. And I did not announce the numbers then because we had not approved it in the cabinet. But I can share with you that we have today approved the same proposal that was there in the cabinet today. And in the next 2 months, we will work out the nitty-gritties of other important interventions that need to be taken, because this is a reform that we're doing, and the reform will have multiple aspects. And hence, while we give the teachers their salary package, the structured pay framework, there are other structures or restructuring that will take place within the schools also. So all of this will happen in the next 60 days, and we will be implementing the new structured pay framework by 1st of April 2026. The total amount that will be spent on giving this structured pay framework to teachers is approximately 817 crores will be the annual impact on the state government. Our own resources and the taxes that the share of central taxes that we get, so all of that will have to be brought in. But as I said, this is being done from a larger scale of, but again, let me just add that to you that basically even now we spend 600 crores we spend only on SSA and Adhoc teachers. So the additional amount is 200 plus. So it's not that we have to spend additional 800. So the total cost is going to be 800, about 15-16 crores based on this current estimates that we've made. So you can say 800 plus minus. And currently we're paying about 600. So the additional amount of 200 is required, which is roughly boiling down to about 12 crores additional amount in a month. 12-15 crores additional in a month has to be paid. So that is the impact on us. But as I said, it is still a large amount, and mostly it will come from states' resources. Mostly it will come from our share of central taxes, and obviously we'll have to work towards increasing our revenue. I've already told you that the Finance Commission recommendations have not gone well for the smaller states. All the small states have suffered. In fact, the biggest impact is going to be on other northeastern states like Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh and Tripura. We are slightly better off, but still we are also negatively impacted.
So is it true that the